All right, our next award is the Cheerleader of the Year award, presented by Joe Leones. We have as our winner Corey Fink of Howell, and here to present that award is her coach, Deanna Markovich.
I'm very pleased to present this award to Corey. She's a 4-year letter winner for Howell. She's been our competitive team for 4 years. She received numerous awards. The Rebel Heart Award for her sophomore year and the Coaches Award this past year. She's been a big leader on our team. Always the younger girls looking up to her. She's really taken a lot of girls under her wing. Always my go-to girl to know who are we going against and what do they have and what do we need to beat them. And she is an all-around great kid. She is going to the University of Florida in the fall, and she's going to double major in computer science and Spanish linguistics. And she is really leaving a void on our team, and we will really miss her. And she's got big shoes to fill. So she is involved in many other things at Howell. She does all kinds of things on the side, designing programs for various awards nights that she's always included for, and always just ready to help everyone, whether it's on our team or in our school. And we're really going to miss her and wish her all the best. So congratulations on your award, Corey.
Let's hear it for Corey Fink.